Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable spellcheck Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to disable spellcheck Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To disable spellcheck in Ms. Teams, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here in the General menu scroll down to find the spellcheck menu. Now here there is a spellcheck menu and tap on this menu to disable spellcheck. This feature is useful for users who type in various languages or do not want autocorrect to interfere when typing messages. So that's it, tutorial how to disable spellcheck Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.